Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make Luqaimat, also known as Lokma in Arabic. It is an Eastern recipe which is served in iftar and even can be had after iftar. It is also known as dumpling. I will write the recipe which you can make, but I am taking from scratch. Here is the method which is written, and here are the ingredients if you want to make everything at your home. All-purpose flour, this is mixed with sugar, and also we get yeast. If you don't have yeast, then you can add baking powder or lemon juice. It is equivalent to that. Half liter of water I have taken. You can take 3 cups of water too, that is equivalent to half liter. We have to warm the water and then add in the dough. Using spatula you can mix, or using your hand, whichever you prefer. Cover with muslin cloth for 45 minutes. Let's start preparing sugar syrup. We need 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Medium to low flame. You will let it boil. You can see bubbles have started forming, so now you will add vanilla essence 1 tablespoon. If you want, you can also add cardamom powder crushed and saffron too. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Here our dough has been raised, double its size, fluffy ones and soft. The oil is heated first to medium and then we'll keep it on low flame. Let's start dropping through spoon into this size. Turn it upside down. Using the help of 2 spoons, I am dripping the balls. It can be in any shape, but it's going to taste very well. From outside it is crispy and soft from inside. You need to have crispy golden brown color so that it becomes crunchy and crispy outside. Again I am adding and frying. I am going to show you 2 methods of eating them. I'll fry all of them together, keeping one serving dish. At the moment only you have to add the sugar syrup which we have made it. From top of it you have to just spread it all around using this spoon. You might seem that it's going to be very much tasteless from inside and this much is not enough, but when you taste it, it's going to be very delicious. You can serve this in Eid also as a form of snack. Sprinkle some cement seeds from top of it as your liking. It gives good vibrating color and makes the dish complete. So one method is done that you can have it. If you don't want to use sugar syrup, then you can also use honey. Just spread some honey. I prefer that honey is more tastier than sugar syrup, so you try first this one. Honey gives a richer taste and it's very healthy ingredient too than sugar syrup. It won't harm. So do try out this honey one. I have shown you both ways as you prefer. You can also sprinkle cement seeds here too. So both the ways are ready. I hope you like this recipe. It's very delicious, new and innovative. Make at the day of Eid and serve to your friends and family. This delightful recipe, traditional Arab recipe. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.